Welcome, everyone. Today, we pause to remember a day that changed our world forever. September 11th, 2001, as we reflect on this profound moment in history. We honor the lives lost and the countless heroes who emerged in the face of unimaginable tragedy. 9/11 serves as a powerful reminder of our resilience and unity. In the aftermath, we witnessed communities coming together, supporting one another and standing strong against adversity. It's a testament to the human spirit that, even in our darkest hours, we can find light and hope. Let us carry forward the lessons learned from that day. The importance of compassion, understanding, and standing together as one. As we remember, we also commit to fostering a world where love triumphs over hate. Thank you for joining me in this remembrance. If you found this meaningful, please consider following or subscribing for more reflections and discussions. Together, we can ensure that we never forget.